Good morning to all of you, dear parents. I am Smita Chaitanya. Today I have the privilege to address you all at the very beginning of this new session. I take this opportunity to thank all of you to have come together to support us earnestly as we are about to start our online classes. Before we embark upon this adventure, let us pause for a while and in the silence of our hearts, let us be grateful to the Almighty for having protected us and kept us and our families safe and healthy.
मैं हूँ तेरी प्रीत प्रभु तू मेरा मीत, तू मेरी ज्योति, तू मेरा घर, तू ही मेरी राह, तू हम सफर। मेरा तू सवेरा प्रभु, तू ही मेरी शाम, तू प्रभु जग की मन मुस्कान। मेरा तू सवेरा प्रभु, तू ही मेरी शाम, तू प्रभु जग की मन मुस्कान। मैं हूँ बंसी तू रागिनी, हो जाए संगीत, तेरी वीणा गाए मुझ में गाए नवगीत। तू मेरी ज्योति, तू मेरा घर, तू ही मेरी राह, तू हम सफर। तू ही मेरी राह, तू हम सफर, तू ही मेरी राह, तू हम सफर।
For obvious reasons, this year we are forced to begin our new academic session with online classes. The outbreak of the COVID pandemic has driven us to take such a step. Under regular circumstances, it would have been our pleasure to welcome your children. Under these circumstances, this is the best possible option available to our school. A school away from school, within the safety of your homes. Children are our hope for the future and our invaluable asset. It is our foremost duty to look after their physical, academic, and spiritual needs. Just as you as parents are doing everything within your power to raise your children, we, their educators, consider it our primary responsibility to start this academic session with discipline, systematic planning, and sincere guidance. We are trying our best to reach out to all our dear students and parents in this critical phase of our lives. The future is uncertain, and thus no decision can be taken regarding the reopening of schools at this point of time. Therefore, as of now, online classes is the best solution. Various subject teachers will take online classes according to a set timetable. They will discuss the prescribed books, syllabus, explain lessons, give out notes, questions and answers, etc. Without your support, this challenge will be very difficult to accept. It is our sincere request to you, dear parents, to support us in these circumstances and help us to help your children to move towards their bright future. Thank you for the trust and confidence you have shown in us. Have a good day.